Good morning and Merry Christmas, everyone. Well, there's a whole lot of red on this screen. That's not what you want to see on Christmas morning. It's nothing too crazy. 2% on SHIB, close to 1.5% on Doge, 0.5% on Bitcoin, 0.5% on Ethereum. Um, Hopefully, this BTC dominance does not start to move up any higher. We don't want to see that, but I think um, in the longer term, I think the broader trend is going to be up. And you can see on this 15-minute chart, looks like we are forming higher lows. Got a higher low here. No? Now, looking at the 15-minute chart on Bitcoin, the MACD is telling me that we will get a small, quick pullback here on Bitcoin in the short term. But I think it's going to soon reverse and take off again. Like I was saying before, we just need Bitcoin to hold. We don't really need it to move up major. We don't need it to rally like crazy. We need it to hold. Ethereum, on the other hand, we do need to rally. And it just sort of nosedive here within the last few minutes. But we are making higher lows, which is what you want to see. So we just formed another higher low here on the 15-minute chart. Very similar to Bitcoin on the MACD there. Looks like it's already reversed and it's already bottomed here on the 15-minute chart. But more importantly, let's look at the 4-hour chart to see what's going to happen long term. Now, this is a little bit lower than where we are now. So either way, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So that's good. Those are all good signs. MACD, beautiful. We just crossed over that zero line, which is a pretty crucial part of the process here. And a little bit of a hiccup is totally normal here. Totally normal. We might go down like this and take off, but totally normal what we're seeing here. Not a whole lot of liquidity because it's a holiday, so most institutional investors are not up right now dealing with putting in orders for crypto and whatnot. Obviously, the stock market is closed, so you'll have no ETF activity. It really changes how the market behaves. So, it can be good and bad. It can be up and down, but it's just there's not as much liquidity because it's a holiday. All right, let's go to my favorite cryptocurrency, Dogecoin. Chart is looking beautiful. We are creating higher lows. And the MACD. Okay, so we're just now touching that zero line. That's why I want to make this video right now. I feel like this time is crucial to moving forward. So this might be the point of no return. And we are hitting this zero line. And once we break above the zero line, it's off to the races. Off to the races. So that is good news. All right. Let's check out Shiba Inu. Very similar chart. They often move together. They're very, very similar. Just crossed over that zero line. Looks like we might taper off just for a second and then before we take off. Now let's check out CoinMarketCap. Fear and Greed Index. It's up to 62 already. That was quick. Wasn't it just 55 yesterday? Wow. Okay. And I like Crypto Market Cap. It'll show you all of this stuff, which is very advanced if you're going to go into the open interest and check out what's going on with perpetuals. For some reason, the futures line is always flat, so I just removed that, and you can see what's going on with open interest. You can also do that with options volatility. It's another tool that they have, Ethereum options volatility. So has your all-season index right here, which is really pretty cool. I'd like to see it over here. I'd like to see it over here. Got the CMC 100 market cap index. So I like to check out CoinMarketCap every now and then just to make sure that I'm getting all of the visuals that I can. Now here's Dogecoin on the 15-minute chart. And kind of chopping around here, gearing up for a big move. What I noticed when I pull up this chart is the MACD, and it looks like we're already starting to curl back up. When these candles, these momentum candles, whatever you want to call them, when they turn to a lighter color, that means that that momentum, whether it's green or red, is starting to taper off, and you will start to round out and turn up like we did here. And it's opposite because you're going down, here you're going up. So we can expect to go up from here. We go to the hourly chart, check what that is looking like, if I can find it. This is good that that wick is to the downside and we are recovering, moving up as we speak on this hourly candle. Love to see it, and I think we will take off in no time here. Now, here's an article I see on TradingView that I wanted to show you. I just think that it is crazy, all these insanely bullish expectations for Dogecoin reaching multiple dollars, and I do think it's possible. Maybe Moon Boy, but you know, hey, if history repeats, you know, it could go up to $10. But let's not get caught off guard by the top, waiting on all these crazy expectations or forecasts for it to move higher. When the top is in, it doesn't matter if you want more money, right? The top is in, you got to take the money that's on the table. So unless you want to be a bag holder like I was for 3 years through the crypto winter and the bear market and everything, and then just sitting there looking at a negative bag, you don't want to be that guy. So when we get closer and closer to the top, I'll try to gauge it, but it's going to be hard to catch the top. I know it is. It doesn't last long. It lasts, what, hours, minutes, when it's actually at the top. We're going to try to get prepared for it and do the best we can by looking at all the signs and everything. As always, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. You have to do what's best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and if you could hit the like button and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Happy holiday.